When I started making stickers, I had no idea that the way that it made me feel had nothing to do with the actual stickers themselves. I mean, sometimes it does, but it goes way beyond the stickers. So I wanted to share with you all of my different ways that making stickers, even unexpectedly, how making and using stickers boosts my serotonin, because my mood is important to me, my sleep is important to me, my health and my mental health. So let's have a look at the different ways that these kinds of stickers and so many more unexpected ones could boost your serotonin levels too. Inspirational quote stickers, motivational quotes, faith-based, all kinds of quote stickers, they are really well known already for boosting serotonin, for boosting mood, for increasing positivity, and looking at these kinds of stickers is an instant uplift. Who would have thought that making stickers out of something in the environment like real leaves would be so uplifting too? So when a friend challenged me to make these real leaf stickers, and I'll also link the video to them below, I thoroughly enjoyed the whole process of coming up with the ideas, of going into the garden to find the leaves, cutting them, drying them, putting the stickers together, drawing the little plant pots, showing them off to people. The whole thing was so mood boosting. And now I'm thinking, what else could I make stickers out of? But how about something different like kawaii, or these mini kawaii sticker sheets? I remember as a kid just loving anything cute, anything brightly coloured, anything that really attracted my eyes. And now I love to create stickers with things like kawaii designs that maybe I've hand drawn or my husband has, because they make me feel like I'm a kid again. They are so cute and so visually appealing. Even the mini sticker sheets are cute. Speaking of cute and getting creative though, did you know you can turn your kids' or your grandkids' artwork into stickers too? I made these for my 2 kids and they absolutely loved them. Wouldn't it blow your kids' minds if you could make some stickers that they could use or give away made out of their very own artwork? I think they'd make a really sweet idea as a teacher gift too, so that you are not only boosting your kids' moods and serotonin levels, but the teachers too. I just think they would love stickers like these. Now, I don't know about you, but I get really affected by the weather. I don't know whether I've got SAD, is that seasonal affective disorder, something like that, but I definitely feel much happier on a sunny day. At the same time though, there's a time and a place for all weather, and I really like to track the weather in my planner sometimes just to see if it is having an effect on my mood. I also love turning photos into stickers because I don't know about you, but I just love going back in time and looking back at the memories that have made my day, like my wedding days. I got married twice, once in Australia and once in the UK, and turning photos into stickers as gifts for others or for me, it just really lights me up inside and makes me feel happy. Just like these beautiful stickers that I've made out of my friend Bonny Snowdon's coloured pencil art. Aren't they gorgeous? And isn't she super talented? She absolutely went wild when I showed her these stickers. She loved them so much. It made her day, and it just made my day as well to make them for her and to listen to the joy in her voice when I gave them to her. Mood boosting stickers can also be really practical too though. That's why my mood is boosted when I'm organized, when I declutter, when everything's got its place in my home or my kitchen or my pantry, like these mini sheets here of pantry and kitchen organization stickers. So whether it's herbs and spices or your pasta or coffee or sugar or tea containers, you can really get organized. And I also love to remember to drink my water, and of course that helps my mood in a million ways, as does this super cute bright sticker. And if you love plants, I'm not that great with them, but if you love them, you will love making stickers about your plant love too, and they're waterproof. Now, speaking of shiny things, foil stickers is something that I've really got into, and I've thoroughly enjoyed testing different colours. In fact, I find that even just looking at different colours, like the brightness of yellow, can really help lift my mood too. And foil comes in so many different colours, so when you're making stickers for yourself or for someone else, you can really choose like the kind of colours that they really like too, that will help them feel good, that will make your stickers shimmer. So summer is my favourite time and Christmas is my favourite time, and having Christmas in summer in Australia is just the best ever. Although I miss a white Christmas a little, these mini sticker sheets here where I've decorated my planner with these Christmas themed stickers not only help me get organised for the festive period, but help me feel so excited and look forward to the event. I really love planner stickers, so speaking of those, I also created some aesthetic planner stickers, including some of these bigger stickers that will go alongside them to give away as gifts or to decorate the front of my planner or my dashboard or some white space. Aren't they beautiful? Anything that lifts my mood is always colourful. And of course, birthday stickers is something that not only helps us feel good, because if we're making a gift for somebody else or decorating the gift, we've got them in the forefront of our minds and our hearts. And I know firsthand how much it makes someone's day to receive a gift, a personalized sticker that was made just for them. You really would underestimate how much it would surprise someone if you could make them a custom sticker with their name on it or something just for them and their special day. Speaking of looking after things, plant care is something that I suck at, but plant care labels have really helped me. And I think most of us know the benefit of having plants for our mood, for our health and mental health, and something to care for at home. So unexpectedly, these stickers are doing a great job all round at helping me do that. What I've found is it doesn't matter what you love and what your passions are, you can make a sticker for it. And to take it to the next level, maybe you can turn it into a holographic sticker, something that really shimmers, something unexpected, whether it's for you or a friend or a loved one, or even to sell. Holographic stickers, there are so many variations in holographic designs now, and they're super fun and uplifting. I already told you how much I love Christmas. You already know how much I love stickers, but you can use the same skills that you would use to make stickers to create all kinds of different gift ideas too, like magnets. Maybe it's a fridge magnet, maybe it's a magnetic bookmark. But I really love turning a design like clip art, such as these that my husband has designed, even clip art that you have designed, and turning it into stickers or a stickery gift for somebody you love. So if you have felt that your mood could do with a bit of a pick-me-up and you want to get back into creativity, I hope that these ideas have inspired you, because you never know where your sticker making ideas or journey might take you. I had no idea that stickers would bring so much joy into my life and into the lives of over 15,000 sticker making students. And I hope that this has inspired you to maybe get started with stickers too. So make sure you share below in the comments and let me know, what kind of stickers do you love to use or make that really helps lift your mood too? Let's share the sticker making mood boosting joy with each other.